Hello everyone, in this Thierry Sicard tutorial number 29, we will review the Electrophorus equipment invented by the Swedish professor Johan Carl Wilcke, but popularized by Volta. In fact, it is a capacitor with an insulator in blue between two metal plates. The Electrophorus is a simple manual capacitive electrostatic generator used to produce electrostatic charges via the process of electrostatic induction. The first version was done in 1762, but Volta improved and popularized so much the device in 1775 that for this reason sometimes Volta is credited for its invention. The word electrophorus was coined by Volta from the Greek electron and phero, which means electricity bearer. The blue part is the insulator. The first step is to charge the insulator by rubbing the insulator with a cat's fur. Then, in the step 2, we bring the conducting element. By electrostatic induction, in the conductor, the negative mobile charges are pushed to the upper side of the metal. The induction is stronger as soon as the distance decreases between the metal and the insulator. When the metal plate is touching the insulator, the top metal plate is touched with the finger by the experimenter. All the negative mobile charges are discharged to the ground. The result of this operation are equivalent to a capacitor charge. The capacitor C is equal to C equal epsilon S over E. As Q equals CV, so Q equal epsilon S multiplied by V over E. Because of the electric charge conservation discovered by Franklin, which means Q, the charge equal constant, the ratio voltage V over distance between plate E must be constant. So, if the distance between plates E increases, the voltage V increases too, up to the spark, which brings the negative charges from the insulator to the metal plate to cancel the positive charges. If we do an analogy with a liquid in the glass, the electric charges Q equal a quantity or a volume equal to S times H, which is constant. The glass section S is equivalent to the capacitor C, and the liquid level H in the glass is equivalent to the voltage V. Each time the section of the glass S decreases, the liquid level H increases as the voltage across the capacitor. So, Volta plays a lot with this Electrophorus because it was an easy way to do electric spark. First of all, charging the insulator by rubbing. The second step was to do an electrostatic induction in the metal plate to separate plus and minus charges and eliminate to the ground the negative mobile charges. Then the capacitor was charged, and the discharge was done by forcing a discharge through the spark. Then the equipment was ready to start again by the step 1 of charging again the insulator by rubbing. I want to thank you for your attention. On my next Thierry Sicard tutorial number 30, we will talk about the Coulomb's law on electrostatic forces based on its experiment with a torsion balance. So see you soon and stay tuned.